This is the title race that we ordered. We did not order it from Utemu or Amazon or takealot.com. We ordered it from Gwamhlabu Yalingana. We ordered it from Emoria. We ordered it from Gwamamya Nchaza. We've been praying up and down in South Africa, searching for a proper fight against the Sundowns, and Pirates provided it. So this is the title race that we ordered. Some of the people bayazigquma ngempepho, bayakhomisa, abanye bayathandaza. Ama-Muslim is currently Ramadan as well. We've asked them as well. So banyengezele lethu ba nisithandazise amadoda man. Siyayifuna le nto le title race. So we are very happy that there's a title race. When Sundowns were playing against the Golden Arrows, which is the game that we were watching, myself and Ubobo, at some point it was on the other side 1-1 Pirates, Polokwane City. So it was 1-0 for Pirates, and then Polokwane City towards the end equalizes. Yeah. The fans, the Sundowns, were celebrating. They were looking at their phones and you could hear the cheer. Absolutely. This is the title race that we ordered, and I'm so glad. I know it can always turn south because if you lose 2 matches, it's Orlando Pirates and then Sundowns get an advantage, and then there's only 11 matches to go. It's 44 points. Both teams have won 2-1. This is what we have been praying for, and I'm so glad that both teams look up for the battle, and they are the 2 strongest teams in the country, and they're going for it.
The new Corolla Cross, filled with life.